The Ferrari Testarossa is one of the most iconic cars to emerge from Maranello, capturing the imagination of automotive enthusiasts with its aggressive styling, flat, 12-engine, and unmistakable side strakes. In this YouTube video review, we dive deep into everything that makes the Testarossa a timeless classic, exploring its design, performance, handling, and historical significance in Ferrari's lineage. Timeless design that defined an era. From the very first frame, the video showcases the jaw-dropping design of the Ferrari Testarossa. Styled by Pininfarina, the Testarossa was introduced in 1984 and quickly became a symbol of 1980s excess and style. The most distinctive feature, the horizontal side strakes, or cheese graters, are not just for looks. They feed air into the side-mounted radiators. The wide rear track and long low body give the car an aggressive yet elegant stance. In the video, close-up shots highlight the pop-up headlights, sharply creased body lines, and that flat, wedge-shaped front end that screams vintage Ferrari. The review explains how the Testarossa's design broke away from the more conservative look of its predecessor, the 512BB. Its design was both radical and functional, with a rear width of nearly 78 inches, making it wider than a modern-day SUV. The Testarossa doesn't just look fast, it looks like it's ready to take flight. Performance. The power of a flat, 12 engine. Under the massive rear deck lid lies a 4.9-liter flat, 12 engine, which is the heartbeat of the Testarossa. The YouTube review takes viewers through the mechanical marvel of this engine, which produces around 390 horsepower and 361 lb-ft of torque. The engine note is raw, throaty, and utterly mechanical, a refreshing contrast to the digitally tuned cars of today. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of about 5.2 seconds and a top speed of 180 miles per hour, the Testarossa was a true supercar in its day. The video includes driving footage that captures the roar of the flat, 12 through tunnels and open roads, offering a visceral sense of speed and power. The car's 5-speed gated manual transmission is also highlighted, a work of art in itself and a tactile joy for any driving purist. Driving experience. Analog in the best way. The review transitions into the driving experience, emphasizing the analog nature of the Testarossa. Unlike modern Ferraris, there are no electronic aids, no traction control, and no paddle shifters. The reviewer notes that the car demands respect from the driver. Steering is heavy at low speeds but precise once the car is moving, and the brakes, while dated by modern standards, provide decent stopping power with good pedal feedback. The video captures the excitement and challenge of driving the Testarossa. Every shift, every throttle input, and every turn feels like an event. It's a car that keeps the driver fully engaged, rewarding those who are attentive and punishing those who aren't. The reviewer praises the Testarossa as an ideal weekend car for those who want to enjoy pure, unfiltered driving. Interior. Retro luxury with a touch of drama. The inside of the Testarossa is a glorious time capsule. The YouTube review showcases the tan leather seats, deep dashboard, and classic switchgear. The cabin is wide, with a central tunnel that divides the cockpit. Despite its age, the build quality feels solid, and the seating position is surprisingly comfortable for long drives. The video doesn't shy away from the quirks, either. The air conditioning system is underwhelming, visibility out the rear is limited, and the clutch is heavy in traffic. But all these are forgiven once you hear the engine roar behind your head. The Testarossa's cabin is a mix of luxury and function, with that unmistakable 1980s flair. Legacy. A true Ferrari icon. In the final segment, the video reflects on the Testarossa's legacy. Produced from 1984 to 1996, including its 512TR and F512M successors, the Testarossa was one of Ferrari's most successful models. It was the car of choice in pop culture, featured in TV shows like Miami Vice and owned by celebrities across the globe. The reviewer explains how the Testarossa helped define Ferrari's brand during a critical era. It proved that Ferrari could blend cutting-edge design, extreme performance, and everyday usability. Today, it's become a sought-after classic, with prices rising steadily in the collector market. The video ends with a strong message. Owning a Testarossa isn't just about having a Ferrari, it's about owning a piece of automotive history. Final thoughts. This YouTube review of the Ferrari Testarossa provides a comprehensive look at one of Ferrari's most unforgettable creations. From its striking design and roaring flat 12 engine to its engaging driving dynamics and rich legacy, the Testarossa remains a benchmark for what a supercar should feel like. For enthusiasts seeking passion, character, and a true sense of occasion, few cars deliver like the Testarossa.